To set up anecdotal notes in Google Classroom, open the email your professor sent you and copy the class code. After copying it, go to the link classroom.google.com, and if you haven't declared yet, declare that you're a student. If you already have, you'll see the other courses that you're in, but hit the white plus in the upper right-hand corner and join class. This is where you paste in the code that you've copied and join. Then go to the first week's anecdotal notes and hit open. Then click on the link to open the document and put in your name where it says student name. Click on the Turn In button in the upper right hand. This is unique to Google Classroom. And then turn in on this pop-up. Then you're done that one. Hit the white arrow to go back and initiate the other ones by hitting open and doing the same steps. Then you're done.